girls. Don't you just love fall? It's my favorite season of the year. I love all the colors and the leaves and the pumpkins. Just love it. Didn't you love that story about fall, about that lady who swallowed all of these things? I know I did. So, I have a challenge for you. I'm going to show you how to build a 3D puzzle out of cardboard using slots. Isn't that cool? And then, after you build your puzzle, guess what I want you to make? What did that lady, she swallowed all these things. And what did she throw up after she swallowed it? What came out of her? Oh, it was a scarecrow. Can you build a scarecrow with puzzle pieces? Let's find out. Keep watching to find out how to build your puzzle out of slots. Good luck, Solar Girls. I can't wait to see what you make.
Hello, Solar Girls. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a 3D puzzle using slots. Okay, so I'm going to use cardboard, but you can use a thick paper like cardstock or index cards. And what we're going to do is we're going to start by drawing some of your basic shapes. So I just drew a triangle. I'm going to draw a square, a rectangle, another rectangle, and I just connected my two rectangles, but that's okay because I'm going to cut them all out later. You can separate yours if you want. So we're just going to draw lots of shapes. Fill up as much of the space as you can. Okay, now we're going to cut them out. Remember to make your alligator, put your 2 fingers in the big hole, your thumb in the small hole, and when you cut, you put your paper all the way to the back of the throat of the alligator, and then you chomp, chomp, chomp. Okay, now that I've cut out all of my shapes, I'm going to clean my workspace. I'm going to throw away any of the extra cardboard I'm not going to use anymore. So I have a nice clean workspace. Now I'm going to take my marker, you can use a pencil or crayon, and I'm going to draw lines in the centers of the sides, just around my shape, just in different spots. But when I draw the line, it's only going to go halfway up the shape. You can put 2 dotted lines on each shape or just 1. It's up to you. Just make sure when you draw your line, you only go halfway up your shape. All right, now that I have all of those done, I am going to use my scissors and I'm going to cut those lines that I just drew. So I'm going to cut halfway up those shapes. Make sure you're not cutting all the way across your shape, just halfway where your line is. And it makes your slot so your legs, your shapes can kind of wiggle. And so now you have all of these different puzzle pieces and you're going to put them together just like you did with your slots. And you can use those to build. You can make it taller and taller, so you could have a tall 3D tower. You could do a rocket ship. You could make a person. You can make a tall building, whatever you want. You can build whatever you want with your 3D puzzle. And then if you don't have enough pieces, all you have to do is get another sheet of paper and make more puzzle pieces.